What's going on, guys? It's your man Jay Will. So I was searching for the right skin for my iPhone XR because it's red. So, the color that I wanted to put on there, I didn't really know what to do. So I decided to go ahead and grab these right here. And I got these a while back from Slick Wraps. These actually came about the same time as my Pixel skins came, but I just wasn't fooling with the iPhone at the time. So now decided to go ahead and rock out with it and put it on. I think I'm just going to go with the back for now to see how I like having just a back on there, because the front or the sides and everything, I was on Twitter a minute ago and the gentleman was like, hey, I put on the entire thing, but I guess the sides kept lifting or whatever, and he decided to take it off. So I'm going to start with just this portion right here and put this on and see how I like this. If I do like it at all. If not, I'll just take it off and get something else. I really should have got my red dragon, if you will, that one with this, because I really like how it looked on the red OnePlus 6T, excuse me, OnePlus 6. But this is looking pretty cool because of the cream color is the reason I went with this. I really like this skin with the color. So, I mean, just real brief putting it on there. The full skin probably would look fantastic, but I don't think I want to take a chance with this right here. So I'm just going to rock with this portion right here for now, just to give it a little bit of grip, if you will. But this looks pretty good. I'm not even going to use the blow dryer. You guys hate my blow dryer, man. You're like, yo, Jay, you need to get rid of that blow dryer. I told you that thing is old, man. It's old, like really old. But I think the cream color looks pretty decent with the red. Putting the entire thing on is, I take it in out of cases and stuff. I don't have time for that, so maybe I'll give that away. I'm not sure, but just rocking with it like this for now. It looks all right, man. It's not my favorite now that I have it on here. Maybe if the sides were a different color, like a gold or something like that. Well, I guess I got a little bit of red in there. But this looks okay, man. It's a pretty decent looking skin. Not my favorite after having it, but I don't think I paid that much for it. I think I got this on one of those 60% offs. But I'm definitely getting ready to go in and order a red dragon for sure from D brand, because I'm not messing with Slick Wraps for a little bit. I got skins that they sent me. I just need to put the video out though, because I ordered multiple skins, and I just wasn't messing with them at the moment, because they made me upset for how long it took for them to ship this with my Pixel skin. So they have it, man. Quick video, like really quick, on my new skin for the iPhone XR. Hope you guys enjoyed. What skin do you have on yours? Take care.